Why would you do that?
Why would you do that?
Why would you do that? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Zay-La, and I am back with another freaking video, period. I'm stressed, y'all. I'm so freaking stressed right now. We starting it off right now. This is going to be a vacation maintenance vlog because your girl is going to Miami to act bad for spring break, baby. Shouldn't be kidding me, period. I've been stressed since I booked my flight. Like, I've really just been stressed since I booked it. Like, my clothes came in time. The clothes was no problem. I had ordered these shoes just to take with me. The shoes was giving me a little ooh vibe, but the shoes came yesterday, so no problem. We was good on that. So now I got everything, but I have no hair. Zay-La, how do you have no hair and you leave on Tuesday? You're supposed to get your hair done on Monday. Yeah. Okay, so right now, right? Today is Saturday, February 20th. I'm supposed to be getting my hair done Monday, the 22nd, but I have no hair. I don't even know. I ordered my hair from Alley, right? I should have knew from there, but I ordered it like the 9th. It shipped out the 13th. It says my hair was supposed to come the 15th to 18th. It's the 20th, bro. Y'all want to know what it says? Estimate delivery pending. Pending? Bro, it says my hair is in Japan. How? Why is my hair still in Japan and today's the 20th? So, since for the past 2-3 days, I've been checking it every 5 minutes. Still saying the same thing. So what I did just now, I disputed my order. Mama, run that bread back. Give me back my money because now I got to buy other hair. Your girl was going frontal wig, 32-inch deep wave. Like, it was given. Like, it was given. It was given. Ready to act bad in it and all of that. It was given. And now I had to dispute it. Right now, I'm about to leave my house. I'm gonna meet up with my best friend. I have to do like last minute shopping. Like I wanna probably go buy a bag today or whatever just for the trip. I was gonna buy some sneakers, but I think I want a bag. So we're gonna see how that goes. In this maintenance vlog, we're going shopping today. Might get our hair today or get it tomorrow, but then tomorrow we're going to the nail salon to get our nails and our feet done, and then we're gonna get our wax tomorrow, and then Monday we're gonna get our hair done. That's gonna be the end of this vlog. Then on Tuesday we're gonna start up the spring break vlog in Miami with my bitches. Shit me. Yeah, y'all. So I really just rambled, but I had to give y'all the rundown real quick. But you guys already know what I'm about to say. I want you guys to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Guys, we are at 1,000 subscribers. 1,000? We really hit 1,000 subscribers, y'all. This morning when I woke up, I have the YouTube tracker app. They was like, congratulations, you are now at 1,000 subscribers. I woke up like, oh, shit, me 1,000? Period. And we're going right up from there. And let's get into the freaking video, okay? Cause she did.
Little X and O's in my notebook. Checking how my hair and my nails look. Put something in the zone. Every single time I say it, my show over. And my favorite song. Should I send an email like who? You had a clue, yeah. Ron, what are you doing? I'm staring out the window. Hey, you're a sexy boy. Hey, baby. When you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time.
Okay, we're gonna start with the queens, all right? So we're gonna tuck these in the corner right here. We're gonna tuck these in the corner right here. We're gonna put the Chanel in the dust bag. We're gonna actually use the dust bag right now. Bag. So Chanel's, boom, right next to them, like side by side, and those lay flatter. Oh, we're gonna do the heels. We're gonna do the heels. Let's put these slides. Tuck the slides on the side. 3 sandals on top of each other. Take up no space, right? Boom. We're gonna lay those flat on the side of the bag and make sure the bag still got shape. We're gonna do outfit by outfit. And we're not gonna fold. We're gonna roll and tuck them. Watch me have mad space left. Bathing suits now. 1. Bathing suit 2. Bathing suit 3. Bathing suit 4. Bathing suit 5. Bathing suit 6. Shades. Shades 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it's getting packed. I think so. I think so. Okay, guys. Good morning. It is 8 o'clock. Sunday, February 21st. Yeah. So it's 8 in the morning right now. I'm just in my living room cleaning up because I made a huge mess while packing and laying stuff out. I'm currently watching Aaliyah Face on YouTube. I came across her YouTube channel not too long ago and I've been addicted. Like, I freaking love her. I have to go to the nail salon. My nail salon by my house opens, I think at 9 o'clock. I gotta call them so I can see like what time they want me to come in. Cause you really, ooh, what's that? Ew. Cause they really will be wanting you to make an appointment so they can control how many people is in there at one time, which is understandable. So I respect it. So I'm gonna call them, and I really want to be like the first one in there. But yeah, we're gonna vlog when we're in there. After the nail salon, we're gonna come back home. We're gonna make sure we have everything because once I leave my house, I'm not coming back. Like, what is that? Like I was saying, once I leave my house, I'm not coming back. So I have to really make sure I have everything. So yeah, I don't think I really told y'all. I got my hair situation thing figured out. Y'all know I disputed my order, but your girl got some new hair. We ain't even gonna get really into that. I feel good now. I don't really have to worry anymore. So I'm gonna go pick my hair up later, or I might get it dropped off to me. And then I'm going to drop it off to my best friend so she could do all the bleaching and plucking and all that hoopla that these hairstylists do. I really don't want to walk around with a fro on my head. So I might leave my hair like this, and then I might wash my hair when I get to Brooklyn. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's way later. It's like 3 o'clock right now. And I had to take a nap. Like, I did not sleep, so I went to sleep probably like a good 10 o'clock, I believe. It's the chair for me. I went to sleep like 10 o'clock, woke up at 2, got myself together, and then came to no salon, and it's 3 right now. So, oh, thank you. This pizza shop that's by my house, that's by the nail salon, they do like chicken Caesar salad pizza. It's like a chicken Caesar salad on a pizza. So freaking good. Like, talk about being healthy and fat at the same time. Guys, oh my god, I freaking hate my nails. I hate them. I don't like them at all. Like, the guy, first of all, this is on some regular powder that you put color on top of. This is not what I get. The guy who does my nails, he had too many people and I couldn't wait. Like, Mind you, I missed my wax appointment at 5. I was annoyed about that. Like, wow. So now I have to go tomorrow. This looks like nothing but the acrylic tip. Like, I normally do either, y'all know how the females call it the nut white or whatever. I do that very so not often. Like, very so not often. But I always do the soft, the natural pink. Like, always. That's the only thing I do. That's the only powder I get. So the guy starts doing my nails like I could see in the clips. I don't even know if I'm going to even add the clips in. But no, I think I am, to show y'all. That pink was so freaking dark. I'm probably going to put it on the side of the screen. That pink was so dark. Like, first he put this on my nails. And I'm like, no, this is not it. This is not pink. He's like, no, yes, it is. I'm like, no, this is not. I don't get this. Like, Then he put the dark pink on my nails. And I'm like, no, this is not it either. Like, this is too freaking dark. So I turned to the guy like, yo, where is the powder that you normally use? He like, no, that's it. Once you file in it. Bro, this is not it. I know what I get on my nose. I get the same thing every freaking single time. And this is not it. But I'm like, matter of fact, I don't even want that. Just go back to the first one. I'd rather that. I don't know if it's because they look too short. Like, first of all, the thumb, bro. This thumb look like a baby. I'm just excited about my freaking hair, y'all. AliExpress, count y'all freaking days, and I better get my bread back from that dispute. I'm not even playing. I better get my money back. Because how about you will see me in China knocking at your door like, hello, are you so-and-so's company? Okay, yeah. Run that bread, mamas. Run that back, stupid. Yo, I know I look a hot mess, but I'm leaving out to go get my wax. Is it snowing? Oh, it's raining. Wow. Yo, I look crazy. Why would I come to y'all like this? Oh, nah, this is beast. Where the fuck is my Uber? All right, we gotta run for it, y'all. We gotta go for a run. We gotta run for it. Took us some fucking, yo. Why would you think I would stop and talk to you? Hello. Out the freaking house. Forgot my whole hair bag. The whole hair bag. I have literally nothing. And it was right by the door. Oh. I hate when I'm rushing. Because I already know I'm going to be late to my wax appointment. Because I'm wrong. Y'all see the new girl? Like, y'all remember in Vlogmas when I colored my hair? It don't even look the same no more. I don't even know what color this is. I look crazy. I'm going to do my makeup before I get my hair done later though, so. Period. Oh, child. This is fucking sickening. Thank you, sir. I did it again because when I was home packing, I put out the outfit that I wore yesterday, and then I put out my airport outfit, which is for tomorrow. I didn't pack the outfit for today, so I got regular black leggings and then the same shirt I had on yesterday. So if I'm pretty sure whoever peeped yesterday, I did not pack clothes for the tail. I don't know why. I think I was rushing so excited. Like, I knew I had the outfit for yesterday. No, I knew I had to have my airport outfit. How did I not think about today?
Yeah. Okay.
Bro, you would think I didn't want to get my hair done. You would think I did not just spend extra money on hair and all of that. The way I keep leaving this fucking bag around. What? Like, oh my God. But I just left the bag inside the wax place. Like, it's like, bro, for it to be a big red bag, I'm just leaving it around. Bro. Just too much. Too freaking much. Like, yo. But I'm on my way to my best friend's shop right now. Well, after I get my bag from the freaking wax place. on my way to the shop to get my hair done. And I'll just talk to y'all when I get there, cause I'm just all over the place, literally, like no reason why. I left my hair inside the store. Like the way I've been feeling to get my hair done, you would think I would have that bag glued to my hip. Like, enough.
My whole life, so it ain't nothing new. When I was younger, the shit was worse. Like, nobody could touch my hair but my mother. I went to the hair salon one time for my sweater, and they was gonna kick me out the hair salon. Like, my mother had to do my hair in the hair salon. Like, she worked there. It was a hot mess. Even like that, I would be so upset. Like, well, I'm only having a son, so I'm not even worried. Cause I know I am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You told me say nah 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 nah. Don't love you. Word. I fuck you. No, fuck you.
Yo, nigga said word. I fuck you then.
That's not how dark in India.
Yo.
It's so like.
Mind you, she like another one. It's another one. Well, may not feel like Jackson. Go ahead, I give her back shots. I don't want to bag out. Strap on just to blow her bag out. But nah, she don't tell me bag out. She put her ass out. Before I pass out. Ooh, what is that? Shorty a little baddie. She my little boo thing. And Shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nutted on the covers.
And I get there.
Like, it's not nutting on my covers. Like,
Cause I'm kissing too.
Bro, nutting on the covers is easy. Cause that's, bro, why would you do that?
they're just booties.
Niggas, I just bought these. Big fact though, like, why would you do that?
Why would you do that?
Why would you do that? Like, I didn't, anywhere else, my covers, bro, fight me. It doesn't make sense. Bro, he just said I backed out and nutted on her breast. Why would you nut on my covers if you could just say that?
He fucked without a rubber. That's
Bro.
what he said. Like.
Okay guys, we have come to the end of this maintenance vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it. I'm going to show you guys other recordings, extra little clips that I took of me and my hair after. But you guys already know what I'm about to say. I want you guys to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It's your girl Zay-La, and I'm out. Later.
Sexy little bitch, sexy little hoe. I love the way you walk, love the way you talk. Let a young nigga come play in your throat. You stroke your throat till I make you choke. Throw baby, I'm trying to give them to you. Throw baby, I'm trying to bust all on.